Riding in the rain. Welcome back to the channel. I know it don't look like it, but this is a brand new tire. I took this bike up to my house in San Antonio to ride it. The tire kept going flat, so I went ahead and bought brand new tire, brand new rim, sprocket, brake. It came as one, and so far it's been holding up pretty good. I've been enjoying it and ripping on the bike, which is this, the front brake. We've been using a lot of the back brake and almost wrecked a few times, but we're having fun nonetheless. I want to rip around on this bike a little bit. There's been crazy tornadoes and stuff going on everywhere. I don't know if you can tell now, it's kind of sprinkling a little bit. It's a little wet. Here comes my truck, so let's start it up. I don't really get the whole key thing. I leave it on all the time, nothing happens, battery or anything that dies that I know of. I leave it on all the time. So you flip your on switch on, key on. I haven't talked about this a whole lot too, just before we turn it on. So this is a RFZ dirt bike off of Amazon. There's a motorcycle riding around in the rain. So RFZ dirt bike off of Amazon. It's a 125. I don't know how much it is, I forget. I bought this for 400 bucks in San Antonio from my neighbor, so I got a steal. And let me tell you, this is probably, if you're balling on a budget, then I don't think this can't be no more than 1,200 bucks from Amazon, and most of that money comes from shipping. This bike is fun, dude, for what it is. Like, this is like the perfect bike if you don't have money to start. So you just turn your kickstart over, make sure she's in neutral. Everything's down on this bike, so all the way down is neutral, and then it's up 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you just kick it. My foot slipped. Needs to warm up. Haven't really rode it that much today. I don't know why this tie is still on here. This was from Christmas. You can see I've been riding through here. We're gonna let it warm up and then we're gonna rip it. It's pretty wet, so I'm kind of sketched out because I don't want to fall. All I have is a helmet on. I don't have pants, shirt, and, I don't have gloves or anything, so. Pretty quick. That's third gear. It's pretty quick. New tire, been feeling good. I think it does probably about 40, 45. I don't remember. It's on the YouTube channel somewhere. Check this out. First gear. Comes up in first gear. Front brake's a little sketch. But I like to goof around on this thing. Woo! I'm pinning it. Third gear. There's still some gear left in there, man. If you're young or if you're new to bikes, I always recommend this. And then we just been cruising around the. You can see I got some ruts right here. It got wet on me, so it's got wet on me, so fun bike. I always take this bike out to the field. We have a pasture that I ride in that I usually go to, but since it's been raining and storming so much, I didn't have a chance to take it down there. I was busy, so we just ride around this. You got this pasture right here, but it needs to be shredded. It needs to get shredded. There ain't enough room to get it all the way going. There really isn't. Let's go ride down here. It's kind of like riding a Grom on the cool. Oh, it's starting to rain. Riding in the rain. Oh, that's cold. It's been storming like crazy out here, y'all. Loose gravel. It's been storming crazy. But yeah, it's kind of like riding a Grom. This is how I imagine riding a Grom would be. Honestly, just messing around. It's slinging rocks. I bet the neighbors get tired of hearing me. I've been riding this thing since yesterday. It's Sunday now. Wipe y'all off. Y'all probably got stuff in y'all's eye. Now the mini bike is at my house in San Antonio, which I'm heading to tonight. I was just trying to wait on some of these storms to pass, but I don't think that's gonna really happen. This is how I imagine it is riding a Grom, seriously. What is there to jump over? What is this? A rut? Not really nothing to do in here. This is just where they do like community events. But anyways, like I was saying, I was waiting on the storms to pass so I can ride back to San Antonio, but it doesn't seem like that's gonna happen. So that's fine. We'll just have to ride back, you know. I just didn't feel like, you know, hustling through the storms or whatever. This bike is kind of loud, but it sounds good. It's pretty loud for what it is, though. But I think I like it. I don't care how annoying it is, really. It got a little torque. It sounds like it wants to go. That's 4th gear. Oh, also, shout out to everybody who hit neutral. Shout out to everybody who subbed. We're at 500 subs, 505 subs or something. That is sick. I appreciate that. We're gonna do a live stream here soon. Because I said that when we hit 500, I'll do a live stream. We can talk about the Honda Rebel dirt bike or any questions anybody might have. Let's do a little quick live stream. We'll get to that soon, hopefully. Find some time. Woo! It's wet, bro. I'm sliding. That's the track, baby. You gotta get that mini bike out here. Oh, God. Woo! Quick shifter. Oh. There's nothing more fun than like ripping around on this though, dude. You don't gotta worry about any cars or anything over here where I'm riding, or any rules anyways. 1,000 subs, baby. Hopefully we can get there. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.